I've been craving for some salmon ravioli. Let's get into it. So how I make the ravioli, I use wonton wraps. I base it with egg, and then I stuff it with the mixture, which is made of salmon and vegan ricotta cheese, which is made of tofu. I continue to fold it over, and I base it some more with the egg so I can create a seal. Drop it in hot water. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Once it floats, it is ready. I set those ravioli to the side. Now I'm getting ready to prepare for my sauce. So right here, I put vegan butter. I don't use dairy in the pan so it can melt. I add my garlic. I add my green onions. And I sear it until it's a little golden brown. From here, I'm going to add my coconut cream. I replace this with heavy whipping cream because once again, I do not eat dairy. Then I add my Himalayan sea salt. I add my ranch seasoning. I add my smoked paprika. I add my red peppers, a little bit of dill. I add my mesquite. I add my tomato basil. I also add my onion powder, then a little garlic powder. Here I am adding my black pepper. Here I am adding my sun-dried tomatoes with a little bit of the oil that is left in the jar. And I am also adding my French onion Lipton seasoning. I use that for everything. My Better Than bouillon. Put that in there to give it that extra flavor. I'm adding my parsley, vegan Parmesan. Add some organic baby spinach. I love spinach, so I add a very large amount. Once that is simmering, then I add the ravioli that has been set aside, the extra salmon that was left over, and I cook that on a medium-low heat until everything has thickened up. And ooh, look at that. Woo, I am in heaven. That's what I was waiting for.